Now, in no particular order, I will be mentioning the top five, after which we will be having the question answer round. The first contestant going into top five is contestant number 4, Saloni. Contestant number 3, Anushri. Contestant number 15, Prakriti. Contestant number 13, Deepthi. Contestant number 1, Shailaja.
Hi, you look gorgeous. Um, I want to ask a small question, but the meaning is big. In a man's world, how do you think you can make a difference and create your own space?
Thanks for this beautiful question, ma'am. Uh, for me, according to me, coming from the background of village, highly conservative and priest family, it is not easy to become a model or actress. It's completely my hard work, my perseverance, and my dedication makes me to stand here today. So I believe if I believe in myself, I can definitely do. It is not about man or woman. I strongly believe myself and I can do it. If you can't do it for yourself, then no one else can do. So just believe in yourself. Thank you.
Hello, good evening, Anushri.
Good evening, sir.
My question to you is, if one thing government decides to provide free, what should it be? Education, healthcare, house, to live, and why?
I think it should be education, sir. Because in the world we live, we need education to survive, to help others to uplift themselves. And I think in today's world, India's progress is mainly about we are dreaming of a country where a child can have endless fear, where a child can have education without the fear of cost or the distance. And with that India, we will be leading to a wonderful country from developing to the most developed country. Thank you so much.
Hi, Prakriti. You're looking gorgeous tonight.
Thank you, ma'am. So do you.
So, my question for you is, do you think sacrifice is a negative or positive form of self love? Do you want me to repeat the question?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Good.
I believe that it takes a lot from someone to understand somebody else's point of view and sacrifice something during a situation. And I think if it's your loved ones and you're able to empathize, then there's nothing wrong in a sacrifice to make everybody happy, and if it's your loved ones. But in a place where it really affects your mental health and you're just not able to do it, or your conscience is affected, I don't think you need to compromise and sacrifice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I'm good. How are you?
Feeling awesome. Okay, so this is your question. Would you lie to protect a loved one from going to jail if they committed a crime for a good reason? Why or why not? Again, would you lie to protect a loved one from going to jail if they committed a crime for a good reason? Why or why not?
Thank you for your question. I think, irrespective if it's a loved one or not, the laws that are in our country are not really solid. They don't really work according to who we are as a society. So I think if the crime is committed on good reason and nobody is physically or mentally harmed in any way, and they actually did some good while doing that crime, and the output is something that is actually good for the society, I think I would totally lie for them. Thank you.
All right, Saloni, I have a trick question for you, all right?
Sure, ma'am.
What is the most significant lesson you have learned from someone you dislike?
From someone I dislike. Firstly, ma'am, thank you for that question, a very thought provoking one. There are people in my life that I have not liked very much in the past.
But from people like them, I have learned that no matter what, sometimes in situations you just have to choose yourself over everyone, blindly and loyally. So even though I don't see eye to eye with them, I think there are these traits that I can absolutely pick up from them. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.